I just have a question. You're talking about how we can feel our heart
Mm-hmm.
in the spirit body.
Mm-hmm.
I'm just thinking of our energy centers and like the chakras and everything.
Mm-hmm.
Can we potentially then feel those as well?
Certainly.
Yeah.
Again, this is the kind of thing that people who are not emotionally or sensorially involved in their life would possibly choose to do. Because when you're emotionally and sensorially involved in your life, you're more interested in just having a life, not doing all these clever things with your body, and you're not. Shall we say, the desire to do those things is often driven by a desire to get power over God's laws in some way or another, which you can do, but oftentimes not driven by good motives. And also, how much of your time are you wasting learning those things instead of learning important things? So the important things to learn are to do with love, truth, humility and faith. And those things are going to bring you the most happiness. But if you start learning all the physiological functions of everything, and you start focusing on the physiological functions of your body and the spirit body and all these other things, you can spend years and you can waste literally years and years and years and years and years of your life when you could have been learning much higher things that would automatically given you all that information. So it doesn't make a lot of sense to me to focus your life on learning those things. I'm just saying to you those things are possible. When you develop yourself in your soul, you will know they're possible, and you'll also know when's a good time to use them. When you're just developing those things in your spirit body or your physical body, you're not very concerned about the soul, and you're not concerned about its development very much. And honestly, it can be such a huge distraction from the more important things, and also not really bring you very much happiness. All it does is give you the, you could say the pride that comes from being able to control things. And oftentimes to your own detriment of your humility. So there are many spirits who have learned to do these things, and some people on earth who have learned to do these things and yet arrived in the spirit world in such a terrible state because of their pride that they could do those things. Yeah. Which isn't very wise, in my opinion. Yeah.